tell, like, it only get better. Studio, is it? Style production.
Different between man, from when I love music. But 4 years ago when I'm bridging him, Wayne, Mr. Authentic, fresh out of Jamaica. I him first introduced the music to me.
That's what I do for real though. I be in the studio a lot.
And drop cover track and my spit to a tune and I say, yeah.
Yeah, well,
long time I love music still now.
Is it?
And I'm saying one to get on a truck man.
That you love me, giving me my props. I remember when you left, didn't even back.
Bridging them, I say, yo,
ain't no coming back. I know that I messed up, no, I fell off track, but my heart was broken, and that is just a fact. I was just.
I just look a basic thing, but then I work out in the end. But music my love, and music me want to continue to do all my life, you see me I say? Because that type of lifestyle that me like personally, that pace to me life would go, love music, I just love music, Well, my influence in music is, I say, this generation, I say, Cartel, I doing, yeah.
This is not a game, so why
them lyrically, them music them like, big up to the Jay-Z's and them, but you don't know, Jamaican dancehall forever, that's my style and that me love. Me and my thugs them, always a part of it, Big up to Papa Do, big up to Tom and Garrison, big up to Ray Dan, big up to Darren Dan, big up to S-Class my dudes, big up Snoop. Who else? A whole heap of way, big up Cab, big up, who else? C Money, can't forget my nigga Prince, big up the whole crew, 10th Street, Massive, is it? I say click still, I say I'm positive, I say, yeah, always a chill, always a get, From sun up to sundown, I drink, and then we end it off in the studio. Only about chill and jam on me chill, That's why we love it, I say, can't switch it up for nobody. We are the next big thing, you know why we're the next big thing? Because we're fresh, I say, we're unpredictable, you never gonna know nothing what we're gonna do next, everything just out of here, I say, everybody have a kid, I say, everybody have a little baby taken care of. But everybody still, remain humble and stay true to themselves and take care of what they have to take care of, touch road and do road when we have to do road, mash up anywhere we go. Then, well, right now, I'm taking, one girl I'm rate, I try to keep her because I whole heap of girl out there, sit them with her and then ready for all of them, but they don't know. And quick switch up like shoes, Yeah, man, when you have money shoes, I first thing switch up, keep it clean. But I don't know, this is me, this is Kekel, Geek Girl, come on, the first Dan, as I say. And I don't know, big up my dog, Papa Do, ever frost, ever wicked, I say. And that's how we do it thing, R3K all days, I say, big up Blow Smoke, President Dan, I say, Eshi Mula, Dub G, I say, Island Breeze, everything cool, I don't know, Kekel out.